Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Yoast SEO Premium and transfer configuration step by step clearly. To withdraw from Yoast SEO Premium, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left side menu. Find Yoast SEO Premium in your list of installed plugins. Click on the Deactivate link under the plugin name. Once the plugin is deactivated, click on Delete to remove it from your site. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Next, head to the Yoast website to access your account. Log in using the credentials associated with your Yoast purchase. Navigate to the Accounts section of your dashboard. Locate the Subscriptions tab to view your active plans. Select the subscription you wish to cancel. Follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process. Now, to transfer your configuration, start by backing up your current settings. Go to the Yoast SEO settings in your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Tools section. Select Import and Export. Choose Export to download your current settings. Save the exported file to a secure location on your device. Next, if you have another site where you wish to transfer the settings, log into that WordPress dashboard. Install Yoast SEO Premium on the new site if it's not already installed. Once installed, navigate to the Yoast SEO settings again. Go to the Tools section once more. Select Import and Export. This time, choose the Import option. Upload the exported settings file you saved earlier. Confirm the import process to apply your previous configurations. Review the settings to ensure everything transferred correctly. Make any necessary adjustments based on your new site's requirements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.